How are you?
I'm doing well. What about you?
Yeah, I am little bit under the weather because of changing weather.
Okay, okay. So you take care of self first, ma'am. Then you have to do practice. But
Yes. But I think you send me message, so I thought why not? I have to utilize that thing. So
yes, yes.
so
Actually, it's happened with English learner. I have noticed many people they don't want to break the consistency.
sorry.
It's okay, ma'am. So like we are connecting the first time, so we can introduce yourself first, ourselves first.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. My name is Kirti. Basically, I hail from Bihar. Currently, I live in Bangalore. I am a homemaker as well as mother of one kid. Apart from this, I have done my bachelor in commerce. And this year, I enrolled myself in MBA. Moreover, I have a plethora of hobbies, but nowadays I indulge myself to learn this language. So I dedicated my time to this language. Moreover, I am running also YouTube channel. So my channel name is Learn English with Kirti. That's pretty much about me. So could you introduce yourself, ma'am?
Good to know your introduction, ma'am. First of all, I would say thank you for giving me this opportunity. And as you know, my name is Rachana, and my hometown is Bihar. I also was born and brought up in there. And after married, I shifted in Delhi. So I have been living in Delhi for the last 20 years. And if I talk about my education qualification, so I have done B.Ed and I have also qualified the CTT exam. I did try in school. I have qualified some interview, but I did not get a good amount of salary, so that's why I did not work continue. And nowadays, I am full time homemaker. Along with that, I have a advisor license. So that's pretty much about me.
Okay, so you are saying about you have a advisor license. So what is this?
It's related to policy work, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. So, so you are working in LIC.
Yes, yes. I don't
Okay,
have much interest in the this field, but I have a license. I qualify some exam, but definitely I will try this field also. But
O-
I am passionate about to learn English language, so my first priority is teaching field, I think.
okay. So, how
Yeah,
long have been started your learning journey?
related to English.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
I began English journey last year, July 2025. But before 6 months, I did self practice. In October month, I took a subscription in as Fluency application. So still, I am member on that application there, and now I have not interest too much there to talk with people. So I'm not using that application now. And nowadays, I
So, in that app, you are also telling means we have to connect with people. So, we will go through the video call or audio call.
I have interest to video call also, but you most of the people are not interested to talk on the video call. So in
So,
the beginning also I was interested to talk in on the video call because even that time I couldn't speak beyond my introduction, but I was interested to talk with the video call. I was
so
not afraid.
yes. So,
But I talk like four people through the video call also.
okay, okay, okay. So, why did you think to enhance your communication skill means?
Yes, actually, I would say I was very interested to since my childhood to learn this language. I tried through the grammar book many times, but I couldn't learn. So
Okay.
I was very passionate about to learn this language. My first priority. But second things, when I qualified CTET exams, so after that I have given interview. So I have qualified in some school, but I have rejected and some school also. So that things trigger me a lot. Then I thought I should work on spoken English first.
Okay. So, yeah, I
Yes.
think it is the true. Means if our communication skill is good, so we can easily crack the job, crack the
Yes.
interview also.
And skills and English, like most of the people, I would say, they are a teacher, but in private school, I have seen they are not earning more money because
Yes.
of English, because of English. So that's why I think English is important in every field. If you
Yes.
know English, spoken English, so definitely you will get a good job opportunity, many things. So everywhere it's important, I think, in every
Yes.
sector.
Okay. So what is one goal you want to achieve this year?
Actually, I would say not this year, that year, because my family circumstances is not good. So it's a big problem, a big issue for me. Sometimes I have a health issue because I had open heart surgery. So uh, it's a big problem for me, and my mother-in-law is also sick. So that's why I don't have considered this year I will achieve that goal, this goal. No, because I did lots of practice in 2025. So somewhere I spoiled my health also. That's why around 1 month I had been suffering some fever lot. Doctor told
Okay.
me it's a bacterial infection because I did not sleep properly, and still sometimes I'm not sleeping properly. So
Yeah.
then my health is first priority. And
Yes. Yes. Nowadays, people are not giving priority to their health. But if you have a means any issue, so definitely we have to give our time for health also. Because if our health is good, so we will serve our family, kids, right? Means if
yes,
we
because
are,
children
yes,
study are also important, and I don't want to their study as well. So this is the main purpose for me, and that's
yeah,
why I don't have a hurry to learn this language yet to do anything. Because earlier I wasted my time. I would say there are many reasons I cannot share on the video. So that's why sometimes I feel no, if I will do hard work, then definitely everything will be missed.
yes,
Because my health is not supporting, so it's a very big problem for me.
okay,
Otherwise, I can do hard work. I like to do hard work also, and achieve something when I started to do something. So whenever I will not achieve, till then I will not satisfy. Like suppose I am giving a example to reading book. So like in 4 5 days, if I will not complete that book, so definitely I will not read any book. So this is my habit, I would say.
yes,
Because of
yeah,
that, I don't read a book continuously because of
okay,
this habit.
yeah. But sometimes if our health is not supporting, so sometimes we also push ourselves. No, we have to do something
Mm,
like to ourselves. We have to give time to take care of ourselves also, right?
yes, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, means over the period we will learn this language. Means if we are consistent and we if we have a burning desire, so definitely we will learn this language.
Yes, no, I believe if I achieve this level, then definitely one day I will become fluent in this language. No, I feel English is not difficult, but in the beginning, I feel it was a arduous task for me. It's a very difficult Herculean, I would say. So, but now I feel it's okay. It's not a big deal. I can learn. I can be fluent in this language. That's why I don't hurry. I don't rush to learn this language whenever I get a time. So, like smoothly and slowly, I am practicing.
Yes, means yeah, some people are thinking I have to learn this language in a month or in a 15 days. So it is not a means overnight journey, right? Just we have to give
Yes,
our
yes,
time and efforts.
yes, yes. What
Your
happened?
video has stopped. I think you have to on the video mode.
Yes, but it's not happening, ma'am.
Yeah, and there is a three dots, so you go there and that is the video mode on.
There is only audio option, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am. 1 minute. Yes.
Yeah, now it is okay.
No, actually, only those things I have seen on the video mode. There you have to click more time than video was active, will be active.
Yeah, it's happening in this app actually.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so what do you do means in your spare time?
So nowadays, I am working on only in this language. So my main focus to be fluent in this language first. But I have interest to watching movie also. So when I began English journey, that time I used to watch English movie too much, like Korean drama. So because of consistency, I think if I will not follow consistency, then I could not learn English language. So I used to watch English movie too much, and because of maintain consistency, so I like watching movie also. But I have noticed I like everything. I would say like listening music also. But if I start to do something, so I will focus whenever I will not complete that work, that things. Till then, I will not switch the another things.
Yes. So do
Mm.
you think watching movies help us to enhance our communication skill?
Yes, of course. I believe in this thought because there is many things you can learn from there. Not only related to communication skills like voice intonation, how people they are talking with each other, everything you can learn because it's a relatable day-to-day life. So that's why watching movie is helpful, in my opinion.
Yeah, means because nowadays people are listening, means watching YouTube conversation videos. So definitely it helps the people. That's why people are listening, right? So in that way, we have to tell means if we watch movies, so definitely if we are watching attentively, so uh, means some instant we have to improve.
Yes, yes, ma'am. But like I have noticed, no, I don't have interest to watching conversational video. I don't know, but in the beginning, I used to watch too much conversational video. But nowadays, I don't focus on the conversational video. I don't know why.
I think it's happened to everyone means because we are watching same thing every day, so that is the reason.
Yes, so I feel monotonous things every day
Yes,
things when you will see and when you listen, so you feel monotonous. This is only reason.
yes.
Yes,
Yeah, so in that way we have to change ourselves. Sometimes we have to watch TVs, videos, movies, so we don't feel monotonous.
yes, like every day I cannot stay in one thing. Like someday I listen some things, podcast, someday web series. After 10 days I switch on the some different thing, otherwise I cannot maintain consistency. One thing I
Yeah.
can watch and listen. So
Yeah.
when
So,
you begin English journey, ma'am?
sorry.
When you begin English journey?
I have started 6 months ago.
Okay, but your fluency is good.
Yeah, because of consistency.
Okay. In the beginning, I also did hard work, but mm, in December month, I have noticed I don't focus too much. Before that, I also did hard work. I spent like 2 3 hours every day to listen to talk with people. But after December, I feel little bit slow.
I think means from starting time, people are very enthusiastic to learn this language, but over the period, they have to feel monotonous.
Yes, in the beginning, everyone is very excited to learn. And I was thinking, many people, I think, they think I will become fluent in 3 months, 6 months. But now I realize it will take time.
Yes, yeah, it's happened.
Yes, yes. So, how many hours do you practice to be learn this language?
Same thing happened with me. Means from starting time, I was very excited to connect with means co-learners or for always I make a video for my channel also. But nowadays, I don't have energy to connect with co-learners. Means sometimes I feel also sluggish and. I thought, okay, I have to take break also because every day we cannot do same thing.
Yes, yes. So, since beginning, you start conversation with people on the video call?
Actually, when I have started my channel, so that time I made like a short video, whatever I learned, new vocab, new idiom. So I uploaded that thing, and over the period, I have started conversation video. Means I connected with people and I recorded my session, and I have to upload on my channel.
Okay, it means when you begin English journey, that time you started. Okay,
Yes. So that time I was over the moon to connect with people. Means always I used to speak very excited and very delighted, connect with people. But means sometimes I feel nowadays I am feeling means not sometimes nowadays I am feeling I am also feeling sluggish.
okay, yes, yes, it's happened with everyone, I think. But some people are very excited to do every day more practice.
Yes, although means I am feeling sluggish, but for the YouTube video, I try to connect with people because I have to upload video on YouTube also. So that is the reason I am consistent.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
I was also very excited, and even I can do more practice. But I feel if I will do hard work, then definitely I cannot maintain my consistency. So it's better
Yeah.
to spend
Yes.
2 hours, 1 hour every day because of health.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Means for health issue, that time we feel give up, right? Means that time we don't have a focus on our goal.
Hmm.
So
Yes,
I
ma'am.
think we that time we have to take a break, and after that we should start.
So how many children do you have, ma'am?
I have one children.
One child. Okay. Boys
Yeah.
and boy, yeah, girl.
She is a girl. She is 6.5 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now you are living in Bangalore.
Yes.
Okay. So you know, you learn some like a South Indian language? You don't.
No, actually, earlier where I was living, so there means there was a small apartment, so everyone speak their local language. So there I tried to speak, but nowadays I changed my apartment and I am living different society. So here people are from north. So usually I speak in English, otherwise in Hindi. But
In,
nowadays my daughter is learning this language because she has a subject, one subject. So in for that reason I am also learning. But it is a very difficult to learn this language.
yes, yes. No, actually, English is easy. Like South Indian language, it's all different because you need
No,
to
um,
work.
you know, ma'am, we should means we have focus and we should listen attentively. So definitely we will learn because every day we have to listen that thing. So we will understand what people are speaking
Yes.
because earlier when when I am listening to others, so I understood gradually I understood what they were speaking.
Okay, okay.
Mhm.
Yes, definitely. Language we can learn through the listening. It's true
Yes,
because children how they learn. So same thing, adult people also they can learn. But
yes.
for children, they never learn any language before that. So their mind is very empathy, and when they listen something, so they repeat those words, those
Yeah,
something.
because they don't have any kind of hesitation and fear, so that is the reason they grasp easily because
Yeah,
sometimes they
your language. You know, like sometimes we use mother tongue, yeah,
yes,
Hindi. So that's why people they confuse sometimes. And you know why mother tongue influence while speaking English? Because we use every day two three language, not only one language. This is
yes,
only reason. English is not difficult. If you speak entire day, around 1 week or like 2 week, then you will be become fluent. It's true.
yeah,
But in family, I would say people are not interested to talk entire day. So definitely they use many language like mother tongue, Hindi, and sometimes they speak English. So that's why to learn English language it takes time. This is one.
yes. uh, I think means my daughter she always live means she always spend their time her time in schools and so they means their environment is like that, so they can easily understand and they learned easily how to speak English, right? If I would talk about their mother tongue, so still she didn't know the mother tongue means because in our side people speak in Maghi, means Bhojpuri. So my daughter is not speaking. She also speaks in Hindi.
Yes, my both children are also not speak my mother tongue. But you know,
Yes.
like in childhood, if they would not learn, so definitely in adulthood, that time they cannot learn easily.
Yeah,
See,
and
they very well, but
yes,
they speak little bit, not much.
yes. Mm. Yeah, and means my daughter, she learned very easily Kannada. Means she is, if
Okay,
you ask anything, so she will tell you. But if you tell you will ask a Hindi word, so she will not tell you.
okay. So she doesn't know Hindi language.
She knows, but she means uh, she understand that it is a very difficult.
Okay. She feels Hindi is very difficult and
Hmm.
Kannada is easy because she listen more and more Kannada language. That's why I think.
Yes, so that is the reason. Means because of her environment, not environment. I think it's depend on the teaching also.
Yes, yes. In school, teacher are speaking with students in English because nowadays parents, teacher, and everyone focus on the speaking English. They
Yes,
think after some years, this language is useful because of global language, and
yes,
most of the students they work in a MNC companies, so their English is important and it's requirement. So that's why they
yes,
focus in the beginning.
yes.
So ma'am,
No,
I have a one question we can discuss.
okay.
So which life is very difficult, men or women, according to you?
Men,
Men and women life.
I think both life is difficult because we could not judge means men life is easy or women life is easy. In today's area, I think both life is difficult because men is also working in office and they are means taking care our house also means they have a responsibility to manage everything. So that is also a difficult part. And if I would talk about the women's also, so that is the challenging part for women because women is also looking after kids, then everything means family and outside thing also. So that time means, but I will say. I will not say means men life is easy and women life is easy because it is a challenging part because it's depend on the actually family also means it's depend on the person to person also
Yes.
how they are managing their family and means they means their business means whatever they are doing.
Yes, it's depend on family and person to person. So
Yeah, because
nowadays women are also working, and in Indian culture, there I have noticed their mindset still has not changed now.
yes,
Only family member they think if both person are working, so they contribute with each other everything,
yes,
but not in every family, not with every couple. You know, because nowadays women if are not earning more than men, so definitely they put up with everything still. Like some women they are earning more than not more than of a spouse, so definitely those women they struggle a lot. When
yes,
when she come back from the office and in her mindset always are thinking I have a some work in home, and they when they come back from the office, so they do household chores, taking care of children. So in that case I would say women life are very difficult. but if men and women both their work are distributed, so
yes,
definitely both life is enjoyable. You cannot say. But
yes, ma'am. I
nowadays
totally
Indian
agree with you.
culture mindset has not changed. Even some men they are helping of a spouse. So only those women are growing in their life, not every woman. And why people are telling if brother, husband, and father is help of women. So only those women are growing in their life. It's true, and I
Yeah,
also
it is true. Means you know we means we cannot manage alone. We need both actually. Means we know that if would take the example of scooty, right?
yes,
So if one tire is not available, so definitely that will not ride, right?
yes,
So we that time it's need both tire. So
Yes.
likewise, our life is like that also. If
Yes.
both wheels are working together, so definitely we cannot face any challenges, and we handle that challenges very easily because of their support, their support to each other.
It's also depend on job. Like like if men are working in private company, they have more pressure. But if
Mm.
some men are working in government field, I don't have experience, but I have seen of some people. So according to them, I am telling you, their life is also different.
Yes, it's depend on the I mean people to people, person to person, how
Yes.
they are managing their lifestyle. Yeah, ma'am, I think we are running out of time, so we have to call it a day. And
Oh,
this is the nice conversation, and I enjoy a lot.
yes, I also enjoy a lot talking to you, and definitely in future we'll connect again.
Yeah, ma'am, definitely.
Okay, okay.
Have
Have
a
a
nice
nice
day, ma'am.
day.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.